Hey guys, this is Josh Check here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox and do our review of the Naenka Runner Diver 2 Pro. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back again to our channel, and yes, we have here another product guys. This is the Nank Runner Diver Pro 2 bone conduction headphones for sports. And here is the quick specifications guys. So it has Bluetooth 5.4, one IP69, it's waterproof, fast charging, waterproof structure microphone, and 10 hours battery life. Alright, so let's take a look at this one guys. Okay, we have here the headphone itself, and we have here the extra earbuds. Okay, the charger, it's in here, it's also magnetic. Okay, and okay, like the kind of strap and some other features. Okay, so here it is guys, the Naenka Runner Pro 2, and not only you can use this one for running but also for diving. Okay, and let's take a look at the product. Okay, so here it is, the close up of Naenka Runner Diver 2 Pro. So we have here the branding here on the left, and okay, I'm gonna try to wear it guys. Alright, and okay, I will be right back. Okay guys, so I've actually tested the Naenka Diver 2 Pro, and all I can say guys is that this one is really nice, and you can actually wear this one, okay, as it claims when you go diving or when you go swimming. Alright, so let me know in the comment section if about your conduction headphones. Alright, so guys, once again, this is Josh, and I will see you in our next video.